Colin F Watson, the HCG diet coach. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a proper HCG injection with B12 to minimize bruising in the belly area, minimize bruising, discomfort, or redness. So first, I'm gonna get my HCG, which I keep refrigerated at all times. Bring it out. And I keep my B12 here on the room temperature. I have an alcohol swab, and I have a 5/16 inch insulin syringe. Very teeny, very short. You can see that. Okay, so you always want to prep the area first. A lot of you may be skipping this step, which could cause you some redness, infection area. You don't want to do that. So you always want to clean the top of the HCG every day. You want to clean the top of your B12. You want to flip over the swab. You want to clean the injection site anywhere. You're going to take your syringe. Our recommended dose is about 20 units, which is 200 IUs. So you can just pull back on the plunger, wait till it reaches 20, pull it out. Then the second, we add 40 units of B12, turn the bottle upside up. That's gonna give you a total of 60 units. You wanna fill the syringe up to 60. Now, you don't wanna go in at an angle on each side. This is what causes that bruising and lumping underneath the skin. Just pinch the area you cleaned, pull it away from your skin, inject directly into the center, depress the plunger, pull it directly out, take an alcohol swab, just rub the area a little bit, let the solution delete, bam, done, painless. Don't make it difficult, guys. Easy peasy. See you in the next video.